So one more request or request that I get time after time is, how do you get the whole internal part from the casing? It's not that difficult, guys. Just try to look around, but I'll try, because it's very difficult to get it on camera. I brought all of my lights that I have, or bigger light, but it's still quite difficult to see on camera. But again, so what you have is those two latches. In principle, all it does, it's gets into the grooves that are in the casing, and these two latches here, I'm back on camera, these two latches hold it in place. It even has a little how do you call wing, not wing, but something you can press, and this usually helps quite a lot to press it out. So on both sides, a square latch with square sides to hold it in the casing. And what I usually do is I insert this some sharp small tool, and I aim for this part and press on it. I apply the pressure on the table of this tip all the time, having it on the casing, pressing it down, and then I push these plastic parts, so this moves more to the center. When you are applying the pressure, it stays more or less opened, or it's not really open, but it stays at the edge of the opening, and then it pops out. So let's try to see. Okay, here again, this is one of the bad toothbrushes with water damage, so a lot of mess. But again, what you're looking for inside. Again, it's impossible to see. I should try maybe like this. It's very difficult to see, but with your naked eye and not in the camera, it's possible to look and see it. Here is one of them holding in the spacing, and the other one. So all you do is press on the table, insert the object, push on the lever from one side, from other side, and it just pops out. So again, these are the parts you're aiming at. Insert the tool, press on the sides while applying the force through this thing. Yeah, and what I'm talking about is they're in here. These are the openings where square. No, let's try to refocus. Here are square opening where it holds on one side and on the other side. Okay, so hope this helps, because there's not any more to talk about these toothbrushes. So hope this is the last video that and it helps you to pick it and get it out and get a fix on it. If it's not a water damaged, usually this fix is easy. If the shaft breaks, it's more difficult, but you can exchange from other toothbrushes like this one. You can remove by removing the screw, you can remove this ending and put on the other shaft. Yeah, so okay, good luck. And if you have some questions, write me in the comments. I'm usually trying to answer all the questions and yeah, try to help you out, guys. Okay, thanks and bye.